guys, this is Sharon once again from Saladmaster here in Perth. And today I want to show you how to make an easy vegan potato curry with spinach and chickpea. All we need to do is heat up the cookware. So I am using my 11-inch skillet. So put it on medium. While we're waiting, let's prepare some of the ingredients. So first, let's mince the garlic. So what you need to do is to, after you peel, you just hold it like this. Using cone number 1, you can make a minced garlic. And then, let's use cone number 4 to cut our onions. Now let's do the water test. Now it's time to put the garlic and the onion. So we don't really need to use oil. So let's just cover for about 1 minute until the onions are a bit translucent. After 1 minute, time to put the spices. So we have cumin seeds, pepper, salt, and curry powder. Okay. Now it's time to add our potatoes. Of course, you have to wash it to remove some starch. We did not peel, and just cut it into chunks like this, about 4 pieces of medium potatoes. Now it's time to put our coconut cream. You can add chili if you want. It's totally up to you. Cover until the potato is soft for about 15 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, time to put our chickpeas. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and just add a bag of spinach, just like what I did here. And then cover it for about 5 minutes and let that residual heat cook the spinach. And we're all done. Okay, after about 5 minutes, look how green the spinach is. It's time to mix it. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe button. Bye!